Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today we are going to solve the problem based on arithmetic progression. The problem is if A1, A2, so on are in AP, 1 upon square root of A1 plus square root of A2 plus so on 1 upon square root of AN plus square root of AN plus 1. We have to find out value of this. Okay, so arithmetic progression, this means it is a sequence of numbers where the difference between any two successive numbers is constant. Let's take an example. For example, if it is 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, so on. So this is in arithmetic progression, then difference between these two is plus 4. Difference between this is plus 4. So in the continuous sequence, the difference between any two successive numbers is constant, that is plus 4 here. Okay, so if A1, A2 and so on are in AP, this means A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN. The difference between every two successive number will be constant. We can say it as D. Difference between both this will be D. So in this way, if we want to find out nth term, we can find it using formula A1 plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now solving this part, square root of A1 plus square root of A2. Okay, I want to remove the square part from denominator for further simplification. So we will rationalize this term. As it is plus sign here, I will rationalize this with the opposite sign, square root of A2 minus square root of A1 upon square root of A2 minus square root of A1. Now this is the format of x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So this will be further simplified as square root of A2 minus square root of A1 upon A2 minus A1. Now see here, A1, A2, A3, as it is in AP, so difference between every two terms is D. So we can write down this as square root of A2 minus square root of A1 upon D. Okay, so for further term is 1 upon square root of A2 plus square root of A3. Okay, we have solved this for 1 upon square root of A1 plus square root of A2, and we received answer as square root of A2 minus square root of A1 upon D. Okay, so similarly for this term also we will get the similar answer. We will just replace these terms with A3 and A2, square root of A3 minus square root of A2 upon D. So these terms are repeating. Okay, we will solve this for nth term now. Square root of an plus square root of an plus 1. So this will be square root of an plus 1 minus square root of an upon D. Now we have to do addition of all these terms. So we have received answer with the same denominator. So I will take directly addition of all these terms. Square root of A2 minus square root of A1 plus square root of A3 minus square root of A2. This term, so on. This will go, and this is last term, n plus 1 minus square root of an divided by D in bracket. Now if you observe, every time A2 is repeated in second term also, this is a plus sign for plus sign here and this is minus sign here. So A3 will be repeating in further term, so this will be also get cancelled. Only remaining is first term and the last term, as an will be also repeating in previous term. This is minus, if an will be there with the plus sign in previous answer. So this will get cancelled. Remaining is square root of an plus 1 minus square root of a1 upon d. Okay, but if we see the options given are in the format of n only, so now find out the answer in the format of n. We have to do rationalization for this part. For this part again, square root of an plus 1 minus square root of a1 upon d into, as it is minus sign, we will rationalize with the plus sign, plus square root of a1 upon square root of an plus 1 plus square root of a1. Now this is again format of x minus y into x plus y. So answer will be x square minus y square. So it is an plus 1 minus a1 upon d into square root of an plus 1 plus square root of a1. Now see, we have find out nth term using this formula. We need to find out an plus 1 in the similar way. A1 plus n plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. It will be n into d. Okay, we will replace this value of an plus 1 here. A1 plus n into d minus a1 upon d into square root of an plus 1 plus square root of a1. Here plus a1 minus a1 get cancelled, dt will get cancelled, and your answer will be n upon square root of an plus 1 plus square root of a1. Okay, let us check options here. So this is the answer, a, n upon square root of a1 plus square root of an plus 1. Hope you understand the video. If you have any doubt, just give me feedback. We can clarify your doubts. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to the next question. So next question is, given an equilateral triangle T1 with a side 24 centimeter, a second triangle T2 is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of T1. Then a third triangle T3 is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of T2. If this process of forming triangles is continued, the sum of the areas is in square centimeter of infinitely many such triangles T1, T2, T3 will be. Okay, so what it is said that given is an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle with the side A. This will be having three sides of A. Okay, if we join their midpoints, then this will be A by 2. Okay, so this next triangle will be formed with the side A by 2. Again, if we join the next midpoints, then the sides will be A by 4. Okay, so this will be processed further for infinite times. Okay, now we have to find out total area of such triangles. So that will be T is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on Tn. Okay, so now we know how to find out area of equilateral triangle is square root of 3 upon 4 into side square. Let us say use this as A. So for T1, the area will be square root of 3 by 4 into A square. For T2, it will be square root of 3 by 4 into a square by 4. Continuing this further, 43, it will be square root of 3 by 4 as it is into a square by 16. Okay, as sides getting half, so square of this will be getting to the ratio of 1 by 4th continuously. Okay, so we can say now t is equal to square root of 3 by 4 into the bracket a square plus a square by 4 plus a square by 16. This will be continuous. So now if you observe, this is nothing but an geometric progression series. Okay, so solving this part using geometric progression formula, I will take a square common here. 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, it will be continuous. We will do addition for infinite sums with the ratio of 1 by 4. Here r will be 1 by 4. A is the first term, is 1. So addition of all these numbers will be, sum of infinite numbers will be calculated using formula a upon 1 minus r. That is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 upon 3 by 4. Is nothing. The answer is 4 by 3. So replace this sum with this answer. Square root of 3 by 4 into a is nothing but 24. 24 square into 4 by 3. Okay, so 4 get cancelled and further it will be solved to 24 square into square root of 3 by 3, that is equal to 576 divided by 3. 3 is equal to 37192 square root of 3. So this is your final answer. Let us check the options now. So the option is 1. This is 192 square root of 3. Okay, hope you understand this video and the solution. If you have any doubt, just get back to me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. If you like the video, please give me feedback. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the next question. So next question is, if the population of a town is P in the beginning of any year, then it becomes 3 plus 2P in the beginning of the next year. If the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, then the population in the beginning of 2034 will be. Okay, so it is said that if the population is P in any year, then in the next year the population will be increasing in the ratio of 3 plus 2p. So it is given that in 2019 the population is 1000, then in 2020 it will be 3 plus 2 into 1000, that will be equal to 2003. Similarly, if the population in 2020 will be 3 plus 2 into 2003, that is equal to 4009. So in this way we have to find out population in 2034. We can go on repeating this format, but this is a very lengthy process. This is the first year, this is the second year. In this way this will be the 16th year, so you have to repeat this process and do multiplication, and also the given format is in different pattern, so we have to find the solution in this pattern only. Okay, so if we check the answers in the first to find out the answer in given format, we will check the population in first year is 1000, in second year it is 2003, in third year it is 4009. So if you observe, the population rising is near about 1000, it is near about 1000, multiple of 1000. So this is 1000 into 1, this is 1000 into 2, this is 1000 into 4. Okay, so 1 is nothing but 2 raised to 0. 2 we can say 2 raised to the power 1. 4 means 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so the population is increasing in the power of 2. So we have to find out answer which is multiple of 1000 into 1000 into 2 raised to the power. Okay, this will be your answer, uh, near about 1000 into 2 raised to the power. So there are two options, this and this, which are rising in the multiple of 2 raised to the power. So we need to find out the answer from this both options. If you check, for first year it is rising in 2 raised to the power 0. So in second year it is 2 raised to the power 1. In third year it is 2 raised to the power 2. So in nth year, if you want to find out, this will be 2 raised to the power n minus 1. That will be 2 raised to the power 16 minus 1. So this will be 2 raised to the power 15. So you can check here in the option C, the population is growing in the multiple of value near about 1000 into 2 raised to the power 15. So most probably the answer will be this. We are going to cross check now with option C. For first condition, we will check the option. For first year, let us check if it is 1003 into 2 raised to the power 0 minus 3. So this will be 1000. So this condition satisfy for first. So second one is 1003 into 2 raised to the power 1 minus 3. So this is equal to 2003. So this is satisfying for second also. Similarly, we will check for third one, 2 raised to the power 2 minus 3, that is equal to 4012 minus 3 is equal to 4009. So our condition is satisfying for 3 years. So we have used the logic is correct one, and answer is option C. Okay, so hope you understood the video, and keep watching videos for more solution. If you like the video, please like it, give me feedback. If there is any doubt, just let me know, we can clarify it further. Thank you.